In this video we're going to take a look at mixing HTML and PHP together. At the moment they're pretty much well apart. I've got index.php here. You remember it didn't really matter whether we called it .html or .php, but only the .php one would actually pass the tags and execute them. This one I've just got plain straightforward PHP. I can mix them, as you've seen. So, for example, if I came into the body, I could have some PHP, echo, hello. Oops, missed the end one off, and a semicolon before closing out. So that's PHP. I've mixed it in. I've got a tag in there as well. Now, one of the things that we can do is sort of the other way around as well. So I can mix in HTML within my strings that I print out. So if I wanted to do hello world on 2 lines, we know that if we type hello and want something on the second line, we've got to include a break tag. Well, if I just put in there a break tag and then world, that should echo out hello world on 2 different lines before we see anything happen. So if I save that and let's go back to our index page, let's just get rid of that. There we go, hello world on 2 lines. So we've actually mixed HTML inside a PHP statement. We've mixed a PHP statement inside HTML. Needless to say that if we did this, let's choose file, save as, if I save this as index.html, we get there again. I love being on a Mac with a keyboard. I wonder if I can actually, yeah, go up. HTML. If I save that and load that in, it will be quite different. There we go. It really hasn't understood how to present the information. It thinks it's just got to print that out. If we take a look at the source code, the page source, we can see that it really hasn't made any attempt to process this information and just print hello and then world on a separate page. In fact, let's go back and take a look at this one and take a look at the source code for this page as well, just to show you what I mean. There we go. So it's actually put in, there's no PHP statements in there anymore, it's actually just written out HTML code, hello break world. We will use that quite a lot. It's something that is going to take a lot of getting used to, is creating web pages dynamically on the fly. So we could probably have a load of selection statements, if statements, trying to figure out what's going on, and then write code, HTML code, in different ways depending on what values are passed in. Now that is a very common use of PHP and HTML being mixed.